Welcome to our video on the top 5 best bread machines. Whether you're a seasoned baker or a beginner looking to enjoy fresh homemade bread, having a reliable bread maker can truly enhance your baking experience. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5. HomGeek Bread Machine. The HomGeek Bread Machine is a user-friendly and budget-friendly option, perfect for anyone new to bread making. With its sleek and compact design, it easily fits into any kitchen without taking up much counter space. The machine offers 12 preset programs, allowing you to bake a variety of bread types, like basic white bread, whole wheat, French bread, and even gluten-free options. One of its standout features is the delay timer, which lets you add your ingredients and set the machine to start at a later time, perfect for waking up to the smell of fresh bread in the morning. It also has a keep warm function to ensure your bread stays warm and ready to eat for up to an hour after baking. Number 4. Naretva Bread Machine. Next up is the Naretva Bread Machine, an elegant modern appliance that combines functionality with style. This model comes with 20 different automatic programs, offering an impressive range of options from basic bread to more complex recipes like sourdough, yogurt, and even jam. Whether you're making dough for pizza or preparing a soft, fluffy cake, the Naretva bread machine can handle it all. One of the most notable features of the Naretva is its powerful motor, which ensures a smooth, thorough kneading process for better texture and consistency in your loaves. The machine's capacity is suitable for larger families, with options for 1, 1.5, and 2-pound loaves. Number 3. Petrus Bread Machine. The Petrus bread machine stands out with its unique design and advanced features, making it ideal for anyone serious about home baking. This machine is equipped with a sleek, intuitive touchscreen interface that makes selecting your baking options easier than ever. With 25 pre-programmed settings, this bread maker offers an extensive selection of baking modes, from traditional loaves to more exotic creations like yogurt, sticky rice cakes, and even fermented rice wine. What really sets the Petrus bread machine apart is its dual heating element system. Unlike many standard bread makers that only heat from the bottom, the Petrus offers top and bottom heating for even baking. This results in better crust formation and a more uniform texture throughout your bread. Additionally, the machine features a 360-degree kneading blade, ensuring your dough is mixed and aerated for perfect elasticity. Number 2. Elite Gourmet Bread Maker. The Elite Gourmet Bread Maker is a versatile and powerful appliance that offers both convenience and performance at an affordable price. It features 19 preset functions, covering everything from classic white bread to more creative recipes like French bread, whole wheat, pizza dough, and even cakes. This machine is perfect for larger households, as it can bake loaves up to 2 pounds in weight. The easy-to-read LCD display and touch controls make programming your bake cycle quick and simple. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, the Elite Gourmet's user-friendly interface makes it easy to customize your baking preferences. Number 1. Biolomix Bread Machine. At the top of our list is the Biolomix Bread Machine, a high-performance, all-in-one bread maker designed to cater to all your baking needs. With 14 pre-programmed options, this machine offers the perfect balance between convenience and variety, making it ideal for both casual bakers and bread enthusiasts. The Biolomix is equipped with a powerful motor and a precision-engineered kneading blade, ensuring that your dough is thoroughly mixed and kneaded for superior texture and consistency. It offers a range of loaf sizes from 500 grams to 1 kilograms, making it perfect for small to medium-sized families. One of the most innovative features of the Biolomix is its automatic fruit and nut dispenser, which ensures that your add-ins are incorporated into the dough at the right time without you having to monitor the process. It also includes a ceramic-coated non-stick pan, making cleanup easier while ensuring an even bake. We hope you enjoyed our breakdown of the top 5 best bread machines. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.